I'm Dispatcher Dow. I'm a dispatcher for Laconia Police Department, and I am here to read you a book called Don't Push the Button. Oh, hi there. I'm Larry. I'm so excited for Easter. Aren't you? I know what you're thinking, but we shouldn't push the button. Seriously. For real. But I don't think the Easter Bunny is looking. Go ahead and push. Ah! Where did these bunny ears come from? Try pushing the button 2 times. Eep! Now I have a bunny nose and whiskers. Try pushing the button 5 times. Oh! I've got 5 eggs. Tap each egg to add some color. Decorate the eggs with your special fingertips to make them extra special. Beautiful. Now shake the book up and down to dry the paint. Oh no! All that shaking made the eggs go flying. Can you blow on the grass so we can find them? Almost there. Just blow a little harder. There they are. Count the eggs as you slide each one into the basket. Make sure you get them all. Thanks, buddy. You helped make this the best Easter ever. On behalf of Dispatcher Appreciation Week, we, the dispatchers from Laconia Police Department, would like to have a winner for this special book. All you have to do is comment in the comments below, and we will sign the book, and you can pick it up here at the police department. Have a great day.
We'll just list one dog.
Stand by. Dispatchers right in their prime. Laconia Police Department, and I'm here to read you a book called Don't Push the Button. Oh, hi there. I'm Larry, and I'm so excited for Easter. 10-3.